कसलोच अभ्यास करिनासतना तशेंच खंयच्याच कायद्याचो आदार घेयनासतना पंचायत संचालनालयान काडिल्लें घोटाळे पत्रक दबाव आयिल्ल्यान निमणें फाटीं घेवचें पडलें. पंचायत वाठारांत बांदकाम करपा खातीर परवानो दिवपाचो पंचायतीचो हक्क काडून पंचायत मंत्र्यान पंचायत संचालनालय आनी गट विकास अधिकाऱ्याक दिल्ल्यान पंचायत वांगडी बेजार आशिल्ले. तांणी पंचायत संचालनालयान काडिल्ल्या घोटाळे पत्रकाक विरोध करपाक सुरवात केल्ली. पंचायत वांगड्याचो विरोध आशिल्ल्यान जिल्हा पंचायत वेंचणुकेकय ताचो धपको बसपाची शक्यताय आशिल्ल्यान निमणें तें परिपत्रक सरकाराक फाटीं घेवचें पडलें. बुधवारा दीस पंचायत खात्याचो मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन मंत्रालयान पत्रकार परिशद घेवन पंचायत संचालनालयान काडिल्लें परिपत्रक फाटीं घेतिल्ल्याचें जाहीर केलां. तशेंच कचऱ्याची विलेवाट लावपा खातीर पंचायतीक अपेस आयल्यार बांदकाम करपा खातीर परवानो दिवपाचो पंचायती कडेन आशिल्लो तांचो हक्क काडून घेतले अशी शिटकावणी मंत्र्यान दिल्या. पळयात मंत्री कितें म्हणटा तो.
Issued a circular as regards more than 4 dwellings that the file has to come to the BDO. Thereafter we had issued another circular as regards the detailed procedure that all dwellings which are more than 4 this should come to the respective directorate and thereafter to the government. Now we have reassessed the entire thing. We have had a rethink on the procedure because government also is in the process of solving the garbage problem in toto. First thing we have said our priority is to have another 2 garbage plants in place, one which already it has been tendered in the south of Goa and one at Verna, the third one at Verna. So once we have the garbage system in place and we have just about to release every panchayat funds for the MRF, material recovery facility. So as against this background and as against a background of our own technical cell which we are in the process of setting up, we have not been able to set up in toto because we were supposed to shift to the new premises. Because of resource crunch, the process of interiors got a little delayed and we were not able to move to our new premise, so we could not form the technical cell. So unless we as a government also are fully equipped and we have total garbage management in a scientific manner in place, the government thought that we are putting a little extra pressure on the panchayats, wherein we will not allow those dwellings which generate garbage more than 4 units, it should come to the government. And I found out personally that this procedure also will delay files as far as dwellings, personal dwellings are concerned, other housing complexes are concerned, and the real estate as such. But right now when government is not 100% ready, we are putting a little extra pressure on the panchayat, and as against a slowdown in the economy where real estate is the worst hit after RERA and after also I say it is also GST and those issues, we thought it prudent that we will withdraw this circular for the time being and have our system in place. Now our system means a technical cell, our system means having at least 2 garbage treatment plants ready. Third thing is having a MRF, material recovery facility in place in at least 90% of the panchayats. So as against this background, government thought it wise to withdraw this particular circular. We showed them that we can wield a stick if required and we will do it at the right time. This time is not appropriate. We want to give them a second chance. Please manage your garbage well and then there are no issues at all.
गोंयांत जायते पंचायती आसात, तांकां कचऱ्याची विलेवाट लावपा खातीर अपेस आयला. कचऱ्याचो विशय सुटावो करपा खातीर ते मुखार सरनात, मात बांदकाम करपा खातीर परवानो दिवपाच्या कामांक चड म्हत्व दितात असोय आरोप मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन पंचायतीच्या वांगड्यांचेर केला.
We have no intention whatsoever of either withdrawing or even diluting the powers of the panchayat. But panchayats also should realize they are self-governments. They have a responsibility. Theirs also is power with responsibility. They should not think that only issuing occupancy certificate, completion certificate, development permission, which they think is a top priority, their thinking has to change. They have other works of development to build infrastructure in the villages for the common good, for improving the condition of the people residing in the villages in rural areas, as well as managing garbage properly and building other amenities for the people. They should not forget these duties as well. Which I want to mention here, citizens at large had complimented, even in social media, in interactions with me, in phone calls. Reaction of public was rather good because they somehow felt that panchayats are not doing their job properly, sometimes harassing them as far as constructions are concerned. And everybody knows, I need not say, I don't want to say it by my mouth. Goa, everybody knows everybody knows what is happening even at the grassroots level. Why they felt so offended in merely we trying to make them manage garbage properly.